Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. I want to talk to you about making a contact private in Act CRM. So sometimes you might have a contact in Act. Try to imagine if you have your doctor, your attorney, or maybe a financial advisor, or a family friend, or family member, anyone inside of Act, and you want to make them private. Now, why would you want to make them private? Well, if you're an individual, there's really not a reason to do this because all the contacts in your database are people that you're going to want to interact with. But sometimes if you're in a larger company and you share a database, there might be contacts in there that you don't want to share with your colleagues. So you can make a contact private. So in this case, we're talking about a shared database with many people in your office. So I have a contact on the screen right here by the name of Morgan Kennedy. And I actually have two contacts I'm going to draw your attention to, Hillary Wright and the first contact, Morgan Kennedy. Let's say that Morgan Kennedy is a contact we want to make private. Well, how would you do that? You're going to come down and click on the Contact Access tab. And if for some reason you don't see that in your layout, you might have created a layout that doesn't include that. And you can access it through choosing a different layout. By having said that, once you click on the Contact Access tab, you can click on Private and you can make this contact private. Now you'll get a warning here that suggests that there are certain aspects of making this contact private that won't come into play. And on that note, there are areas in Act that you can make individual things private. You can make contacts private, you can make groups, you can make notes, histories, sales ops, different things, and a one-off basis. Having said that, just be aware of this and make yourself aware of the fact that this is not 100% perfect. It's pretty good, but I'll illustrate how this is going to work. I'm going to click OK, and now we've made Morgan Kennedy private. So I'm logged into this Act database as an administrator, and this is their demo database, and the administrator and the owner of this database is a person by the name of Chris Huffman. I want you to make a note of the name Morgan Kennedy. At this point, I'm going to log out of here. I'm going to go File. I'm going to go Exit. When I exit out of here, I'm going to log in as a different Act user. In this case, I'm going to log in as Tony Holowitz, which is me. But in this particular case, Tony Holowitz doesn't have the same ability to see certain contacts because of the way he has been restricted as a user. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to log back into Act. But I'm going to come over here to the left and click on Contacts. And when I do that, you will see that I have created a group between two people, Morgan Kennedy and Hillary Wright. And when I get inside of this group, you will notice that there are certain things I can and cannot see. So here I am. This is the user. I'm going to come down and click on Groups. And when I come down and look at this group, this is the test group, you'll see the only one you can see is Hillary Wright. And the reason for that is because Morgan Kennedy was marked as private. Now, on that note, I'm going to come here and click on Notes. And you'll notice that there are some notes in here that are available that were put on Morgan's contact. It doesn't reference who the contact is, but it will show the note. So again, working with contacts that are private, you can do different things with that to make that work to your advantage. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here. You have a great day. Bye now.